Hi, guys, and welcome to the brand new episode of What They Don't Tell You About Being a Physio Intern. So, इस एपिसोड में हम वो सारी चीज़ें कवर अप करने वाले हैं स्टार्टिंग विद द नंबर वन, द रियल हसल, जो हमें रील्स में इंस्टाग्राम में दिखता है कि वाओ इट्स सो एस्थेटिक, बस पेशेंट्स ट्रीट करो एंड देन यू आर डन. ब्रो, नो. They don't talk about the 6 a.m. alarms. They don't talk about the real struggles that you have to work even on Sundays. अभी ये जो आप मेरा बैकग्राउंड देख रहे हो, दिस इज नॉट माई रूम का बैकग्राउंड एज यू माइट नो. बेसिकली कहने का मुद्दा ये है कि मेरा आज संडे के दिन भी आउट पोस्टिंग लगा हुआ है एंड हियर आई एम एट द पोस्टिंग एंड ऑल्सो शूटिंग माई वीडियो. So the struggle is real. 6 a.m. alarms, continue 8 to 9 hours का shift जिसमें you don't even get some time to rest or drink water. अभी जिस रिहैब सेंटर में मेरा पोस्टिंग चालू है, यहाँ पर देर आर 50 to 60 पेशेंट्स ईच डे एंड यू डोंट गेट इवन 1 minute टू सिट इन द वर्किंग आवर्स. जस्ट जो ब्रेक का टाइम होता है 1 to 2, उसमें यू कैन हैव लंच एंड टेक रेस्ट. द ICU experience. So no one talks about ICU postings or what is the role of physiotherapist in ICU. So ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव रोल है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बिकॉज पेशेंट्स ऑलरेडी दे आर नॉट कॉन्शियस और दे आर नॉट वेल ओरिएंटेड. The early bed mobility or the early positioning, the chest physiotherapy, which physios are supposed to give, because ये वही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं that if we don't follow these small baby steps, then the patient might not recover fully और इनकम्प्लीट रिकवरी हो सकती है जिसके कारण आगे जाके और कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बढ़ सकते हैं. द ICU इज द क्रिटिकल प्लेस वेयर वेंटिलेटर्स, ट्यूब्स एंड मिनिमल मूवमेंट्स, बट years when physiotherapist's role comes in. ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर साइलेंस सबसे जोर से चिल्ला रहा होता है. बट चेस्ट फिजियोथेरेपी टू क्लियर सिक्रीशन, पैसिव मोबिलिटी देनी होती है, बिकॉज इफ वी डोंट मूव द पेशेंट इवन पैसिवली देन देर आर चांसेस दैट पेशेंट में गो इन कॉन्ट्रैक्चर, एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्चर में अगर एक बार पेशेंट गया तो उसे वापस बैक टू नॉर्मल आने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज पोजिशनिंग टू अवॉइड बेड सोर्स, प्रेशर सोर्स. ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन अगर ये फॉलो नहीं की तो द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आर वेरी मच dangerous. There was a time when I had to treat a 70-year-old stroke patient in ICU, and his daughter looked me with hope ki okay, you are going to treat my father and will he be able to walk again. It gave me a kind of motivation ki you will have to do something, you will have to do the best for that patient so that he recovers. So at that time it hit me, we just don't carry the responsibility of treating patients, but we also have the responsibility to you know counsel the patient's family that the patient might get recovered very well with the help of physiotherapy. There are multiple roles of a physio, not just rehab. So this is what they don't tell you about being a physio intern. The one thing that no one really warned you about, that is you will walk 10,000 steps in just one building. नीचे जाओ, आओ पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करो, दूसरे वार्ड में जाओ, PGs का सुनो. There are so many things. You will attend more deaths than birthdays. Yes, you heard me right. Remember one scene from my ICU postings recently. I was just giving the bed mobility techniques to the patient who just became conscious after his operation. So while I was giving him bed mobility, मेरे बाजू के ही बेड में there was a patient. You won't believe, he was just 35-year-old and on ventilator. Suddenly, his heartbeat stopped, and I saw death in front of me. Like he was alive 2 seconds ago, and just when I turned back, he was no more. So internship teaches you multiple things in a single day, जो आपने पहले कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं की होंगी. From this scene, what do we conclude or what do we learn? Ki you have to keep doing, you have to keep working, no matter कि आपके बाजू में क्या हो रहा है. You have to still treat the patient, you have to still complete your logbook, you have to still come to hospital every single day. I think positively अगर हम इसमें से ले तो it is कि it teaches you the hustles, the obstacles that might come in your future, or you might come across these things in your future, and if you tackle it well today, you might be able to tackle it in a better way tomorrow. We treat patients with CP, stroke, Parkinson's, spinal cord injury. Still many of the people say physios क्या ही तो करते हैं, and oh, you are not a real doctor, right? This is what we get to hear apart from doing all these things. Internship teaches you medicine, therapy, rehab, but more than that, it also teaches you resilience. Our next topic is teamwork, seniors, and surprises. trust me, you'll be saved by your co-interns more times than you can count. Sometimes it might be like, okay, मेरा तो ये patient कर दे, next time I'll do yours, or adjust into something that you may have not done for your batchmates in 4 years. So that support at that moment means a lot. You will also learn 10x times better from nurses, from patients, from what boys than that you have learned in your lectures. And your co-interns becomes your lifelines, because without any ego you can ask them freely कि भाई मुझे ये बता दे कैसे करना है, or can you do it for me. This was my experience of being a physio intern for more than say 3 and 3.5 months. I'll be bringing more such episodes on this topic on our channel, so that इससे आपको भी फायदा होगा and you will also get an insight कि फिजियोथेरेपी इंटर्नशिप में एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है, असली लर्निंग, असली हार्ड वर्क, what is all that, how to keep showing up even if you are tired, even if you don't feel like doing it, still you do it or you manage to do it anyhow. That is where your inner potential comes out and you know कि oh, मैं ये कर सकती थी, why was I pulling my leg behind, कि नहीं, leave it, I can't do it. And I want to say, if I can do it, then even you can do it. You just have to keep pushing through, even if the days are bad or even if the plan doesn't work out as yours. At the end, you will be where you have to. Trust your timing, trust your hard work, believe in yourself, and keep hustling. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because ऐसे ही real talk videos इस channel पर आते रहेंगे. And do let me know how did you like this video in the comment section, और next किस topic पर आप video देखना चाहोगे. Anyways, this is Asha Kendra and I am posted in this rehab center for 15 days. This is Vibha Raibakar signing off. See you all in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.